2016 RZR Turbo. Just finished up. Got headphones, the Bluetooth interface, communication between passengers, drivers, and another vehicle. The dome lights up above, front and rear. Radio communication system, a tune of $6,800. 7-inch mid-bass drivers with 350 watts per channel, running each one in sealed enclosures. Got these really cool switches in here. Switch plate, stereo, rear lights, push button for intercom system. Added a light bar on top, light bar in the front. LED lighting underneath, lights up red under here. Backup light. Pretty cool rig. Alright, come over, I'm gonna kick some of